guys, Red here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I am back with Pixel Gun 3D. We have 103 gems or diamonds, whatever, and 39 coins. So we are going to be playing on the map. One map that I haven't done before. We should ants left. Nah, only melee weapons. You know what? I'm gonna be doing pirates. So let's get straight into this. So I know I haven't uploaded a video yesterday, which I am extremely sorry about. But I hope you guys enjoyed the intro as well. It's a pretty nifty intro, if you ask me. Yeah? Okay, this is pirate music. Only 4 people in the match. Why can I not go into the rivals team? Come on, just please let me go into the rivals team. And it's taking forever to do. Okay. I always hate this. I was about to talk. Holy crap! Holy crap, we already got a battle going. No, resume! Resume, you little idiot! Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Let's get out. Walk around. We have I'm down! I am down! Freeze ray on me. I am so confused. We can hit up these things. I'm freaking out right now. Don't ask me why. Okay. We can head up these things on the side. Just let me freaking talk. We gotta do a pirate's mission, I think. Alright, let's go up and, no! Stop it! Stop it! Okay. I think there is, like, some kind of RPG thing down there. Yeah! Holy crap! Somebody just shot me! Completely! Oh my god, now where is this, like, weird machine? I am so confused right now. This huge patch is down here. Why is there a huge patch down here? I don't know. At least our team is good. That's a good team. Victory's awesome. Can we, like, climb up this? Holy crap. These parkour skills. No, I can't head up there. I'm not even gonna risk it for a biscuit. Bad parkour. We're going to head up here and I'm gonna do some epic RPG shots or sniping shots. I'm gonna snipe it. How many people are in? Quite a few. Let's kill this one. Oh, I thought he had the kill rotate. I thought I was already dead then. Okay, let's head over to the other enemy. No! Oh my god, dude! Why did you do that? You're so mean! We won anyways. You know I'm joking. I don't really care if somebody kills me. I mean, he didn't even get the kill anyways because he wasn't responsible for my kill. The boy killed me. Yeah, we have this extremely powerful dude on our team. Alright, you take care of them there, fossil. Crap, that guy has a good weapon. Jeez, this place is scary. Alright. How do we head over to that island over there? Oh yeah, we have to jump! Woo! I made it. And then there's another red teamer! No! Red teamer! Who shot my invisible guy? Invisible guy is no longer invisible. I was just a kill assistant. No! It's freaking red teams, man. Oh, I'm on the red ship! Holy crap! Holy crap! Let's kill these two! Oh yeah, I got the first kill. First kill for our team. Okay. Oh my god, dude, you scared me. Don't jump up to me like that. You know I don't like it. Alright, I'm just gonna hide in this corner. And I'm gonna shoot everybody. right there. Alright. Oh my god, there's an invisible demon and an invisible iron. I am so confused right now. Like, the red team is so gonna win, but I'm just gonna try for once. No! No! Oh my god, stop killing me already, dude. See, he's hacking! He's hacking! He's hacking! Alright, let me report this guy because he is completely invisible. I'm gonna report an issue active cheating. Let me report him. And it just had to get up to 5% battery. Alright, let me just real quickly say that. See, you guys saw... Oh, whoops. You guys saw that he was freaking invisible, right? I knew it there was hackers. I knew it. I absolutely knew it. My god, these people are noobs. I'm just gonna... Okay. Like, people say that all hackers are pretty much noobs. So I'm gonna get attention from them. Oh, look at the game. Winning NLGZ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this Pablo dude in the game right now? No, he's not. Oh no, I threw something on a ship. I threw a freaking RPG out of a grenade. Let's kill this anyway. So look at the score right now. 17 to 7. I was about to say 6, but then yeah, it automatically changed. Okay, now let's head down onto these boats. Parkour, like a pro, over to this island. Oh, crap. There's like dead people. Yes! Yes! I had it, but then I had to die. Look, there's my corpse remains or something like that. Let's go up. And ever since I came in, I think the match is going on ever since I came in. No, stop! Stop it! Stupid! Alright, where can I deploy this thing? Did I even freaking pick it up? Where is it? Did I freaking lose it? Or is it on this boat? Alright, let's head this way. Okay, be right back. Interrupt. Okay. Like, this is so confusing. I hate freaking Samsung. It put like my brightness all the way low. This is what I freaking hate about Samsung. It's like super bright outside. Alright. Where are the enemies? Whatever. I am so confused right now. Did that guy just kill me? A puny weapon? Yeah, look, there's a stupid guy down here. He thinks he can just freaking easily kill me with just a stupid, like, little... Oh, weapon or something like that. Dude, we're gonna win anyways. Yes! There's a jetpack! Holy crap, this match is full. Alright, we're gonna go into a different match, you guys. So I'll be right back. Okay, so you guys have never been in a space station, so that's where we're gonna be. And I do have the apocalypse and a heavy water, so that's pretty cool. And oh, that's like the Milky Way thing. It goes all the way around like a little moon. That's the outskirts of the Milky Way, and out there is the galaxy. Just imagine it makes me feel oh my god! Is the moon gonna crash into Earth or something? I'm gonna watch this. No, nothing. Alright, whatever. Where's the sun though? Where's the sun? I don't think right over here. There is a place where the sun don't shine actually. Sorry about that. Alright, so this is enemy territory. We're on like some kind of enemy land or something like that. Oh in there. I don't think it can fly into, like, you know, other regions. But we can jump onto this pad over here. I want to join that. And they got, like, super jumpers. I have super jumpers, or it's just because it's space, you know? Space has super jumpers here, super duper jumpers. Like I'm an alien. This is what what's up? Oh, I still have the jetpack. That's what was going on. Oh! Oh! Let's go! Well, we're gonna try this thing out. Holy crap. Oh my god, this is so close! Oh my god! With me around with my lovely little shoes back on. Woo! Kill! Like a pro! Oh, you think you can freeze ray me? Well, I'm gonna freeze ray you! Woo-hoo! I still have that super duper jumping thing without a jetpack. Come on, here, bro. Out of ammo? Are you serious? I literally used my best weapons ammo. Holy crap, there are intense sniping going on right now. No! Oh my god, the guy just deployed it in time. He just deployed it in time. Alright, where is that? Yes, I killed it. And I get it. No, I didn't get it. Holy crap, this thing is about to get real. Alright. Thing is about to get real. Stuff is about to get... Oh my god, freeze ray rifle users. And we have a code 99 emergency freeze ray rifle users. Hey dude, that's me right now. I'm on your team. Alright. Let's do it up. Oh, good. Interruption! This is the last thing to compare my outfit. Oh yeah, 100 ammo. It's gonna be nice and sweet and sad. Okay. Who can we kill? No, not you again with that stupid... That's all this thing. Come on. No! Alright, well, let's try to find that thing again and kill it, because we do not want this thing in our life. Die! Die already! Oh my god. I absolutely hate this. Alright. It's down here, now it's here. Oh no. Alright, killed it. And that guy already got me in it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end that video here, so hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Let's see who wins this. We have perfect timing and to end. Come on. Woo! Victory! So yeah, you guys, that is gonna be the end of this episode. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one, which will be tomorrow. Bye!